This is a 1994 Mitsubishi Delica L300 Crystal Lite trim package, 5-speed manual, 4M40 turbo diesel, 2.5 liter. These are just getting harder to find and more expensive, so good time to snap up on them while we still have them. You don't have to pay an arm and a leg right now. Legendary adventure van for those avid campers and skiers and hikers. I'll show you the engine here. Just gotta undo some notches. Nice and clean. Like I said, this is a 5-speed manual with 4 high, 4 low, 2 high. Has the Mitsubishi Easy Select. This one does come with AC here. Beautiful shape. Closes up. Rotating seats. Flip them around here. Have a face-to-face with your friends in here. Also have the infamous Crystal Lite roof. And this is actually a fluorescent bulb. Let's see if we can turn it on here. Interesting. This is nice and plush carpeted. Somebody in Japan did love this because you can see here. Shoes off, please. Take a look at the back. Okay. You like to go skiing, you like to go camping, hiking, this is the van for you. The ground clearance is amazing. This is basically an SUV, a van, so if you're familiar with the Mitsubishi Pajero or Montero, it's very similar underneath. So this spoiler actually directs the air down on the window here, keeps the window clean. We got the old school analog backup camera, which actually works really well. You can just look in the rearview mirror and see what's going on behind you. And it has fun turbo diesel sounds. If you're a fan of diesels, you might know about the 4M40 motor. It was used in the Dakar Rally in the 1980s, and Mitsubishi brought home 3 championships using this motor, and they actually still make this motor today. You can find it in industrial equipment. Do all shades at once. Thanks for looking.